So construction started today. They wasted no time. This whole wall is being replaced because there were so many holes in it, it wasn't really worth saving. That door's already gone, that's being replaced. And they've spray painted everywhere, so we know all the holes that they're going to be patching. They marked all the windows and doors that are being replaced. I'm guessing they're just replacing this entire square right here. That really should just be a coat closet. Why didn't they do that? Could fit a couple things in there. All the drywall. I still don't want to know what that is. All the trim's gone from the windows that are being replaced. Oh, he's replacing more windows than I thought. These are cleaning up okay. I'm gonna have to wipe them down again once I'm done. Well, I have to still finish scrubbing a bunch of them. Even like the undersides of them, like, ew. Yeah. I don't think these people ever cleaned them ever.
Oh no. That thing.
That one is turning into the dual trash and recycling. Like it's gonna pull out.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna bother cleaning that one because he's pretty much rebuilding it. That thing needs to come out. You're gonna get so dusty. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Yeah, see the gunk that was like in between them? Ugh.
This is fixed in.
Yeah, no, that won't move. But like the shelves in all of these cabinets should probably come out and get scrubbed. Like, really? Wow. Imagine if this was all open.
That's what I'm saying, it would be big.
Yeah, but this is all gonna be our master bedroom at some point.
Yeah.
If we want a bigger master. Wow. Yeah, don't bother using the master bathroom.
Why they didn't give it any windows, I don't know.
So we have done a lot today. I've been here since a little after 10 this morning. Nick, what time did you get here? Like 11? You got here not that long after me, and it's currently like 5 p.m. So we've been here all day. We still want to get a couple more things done before calling it a day, but let me show you what is different. So as you saw in probably like past footage or pictures that I inserted, this wall has been redone. All the big holes have been patched. This closet, we took out all the weird shelving and stuff today, so it's a blank slate. This wall was redone. And then the living room is actually starting to look like a real room. And there is no longer a bunch of foreign fluids on my wall. It actually looks like a wall. Still needs to be repainted, but it looks like a more legitimate wall. Here's that bathroom that I hadn't shown you before. This is gonna be coming out. And then we've scrubbed all the walls in the 2 spare bedrooms. Everything has been patched. Sorry for the horrible lighting, but as you can see, we took down all of the ceiling fans and the gross light fixtures in all the rooms. So We have to make do with what we have. Scrubbed the walls and everything in this room. Now the ceilings and everything are gonna be repainted, not just the walls. We're literally repainting everything. We're replacing some trim because as you can see down here, I think they had, well, I know that they had a dog because there's a dog kennel out back. And I think they may have had cats as well, and they just kind of let the animals go to town on the trim. We have a slider, an actual functioning slider that locks, and I'm so excited about it. You can see out here they took all the siding off the house from around it to install it, but it's all gonna go back up and then we're gonna power wash it. And then the kitchen is almost there as far as getting the cabinets ready to repaint and put new shaker style doors on them. Our ugly pool table light's gone. And we kind of started breaking down this one, but we still need it for light. So it'll stay up for a little bit, but most of my stuff from Wayfair came in. The rest of it's coming in, I think, Tuesday. It's Saturday right now, and Monday's a holiday, so I think it'll show up Tuesday, unless some of it came today. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at today. There's lots and lots and lots of cleaning, scrubbing, Lord knows what, off of the walls, and eventually the ceiling, and then repainting everything. Oh, by the way, so my uncle came here today. He's our electrician, and he got some switches and everything working again that weren't functional. And let's just talk about this for a second. Yeah. Why though? I mean, I understand the concept of a heat lamp, I guess, but this morning it was even creepier because the house was darker because it was raining. Yeah. The red room. It's so strange. This is the disheveled state of our kitchen, and I'm about to start sanding, priming, and painting the cabinets.